Hi guys, really quick video on how to open an Xbox 360 when the disc drawer won't open. This one you can see the eject button is actually completely broke off. Someone was probably pressing it really hard when it stopped working. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Maybe the Xbox has died, you're trying to retrieve a game, or maybe the belt inside it has gone. But it's really easy to do. Just pull the console at the bottom, just pull it, come right off. You won't break it, you might need to put a bit of force. And down here, you can see you have two holes right here. Get yourself something like a paper clip, push it into that hole. As you can see, it comes straight out. Real easy, gone back in. That's it guys, thanks for watching.